The vision was very strong. The entire state of Florida was flooded with water from a huge storm. The flood so deep, Florida looked like a lake. Then Florida began to rise above all the other states and begin to pour out the water like Niagara Falls. Powerful, forceful, saturating the entire earth. God showed Prophetess Liberty that this storm was a glory storm, and it was unprecedented, never before experienced by anyone. The glory of the Lord spreading across the United States and flowing out across the nations of the world. Are you ready for the glory storm? For more information, see the notes in the description and search #Florida Glory Storm for more information.